Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to insert SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So it's a very super easy. At first, take your pin and just press on. Okay, and simply. So look here. There are allow two SIM on and SIM 2, not allow SD card. So I'm just set up. Okay, adjust properly. So look here, successfully connect my SIM card and open settings. Click on to connection, then showing it to SIM manager and successfully connect to SIM. If you want to turn on any SIM, just tap on to turn off, or showing it to add eSIM option, you just easily add eSIM. So that's it.